Can I build a complex Angular app using only signal queries and ditch the ViewChild for good? Come, let's find out. The problem with @ViewChild, it is not reactive. So if the element is hidden behind an ngIf, you have to manually check if it exists. But the solution is to use the signal. So ViewChild returns a signal. This is the old way of doing. The new way of doing is ViewChild returns a signal. So this becomes a signal. If the element appears or disappears in the DOM, the signals automatically updates it. So this one, right? Just like inputs, you can use ViewChild.required to tell Angular this element must exist or throw a compile time error, right? If you want this to be present, you can use required. And you use the content child to access the component or element projected into your component via the ng content like this. Okay, so here if you look at this, right now the focus is not here. When I click here, the focus came here. So what it is happening, we will not have any of these errors, no lifecycle hooks, everything is going to be a game changer. So let's take a look at the code. So if you look at this is the component under which we are referring to this video, the queries demo. So all what we have is, we have an input element variable and that we are saying required. We need to have, we're saying we need to have this. Okay, the name is like this. So name input, let's see. You see this? This is what we are referring to. So we are referring to this and we're saying it has to be there. So this is the one which is referring child. Now in the constructor, just like effort, right? We have seen it in the signals. Effort is just for tracking. So in the effort, we are finding out whenever the signal is changing. So this is a signal, right? Whenever this is changing, this gets triggered. If this exists, we are just saying it's now available to track, because this will evaluate and give us a true or false. Whenever this changes, this gets triggered, you will find it's there or not. So when we click on focus, the button that we're doing, right? When we click on focus here, what happens? We are saying the signal, we are accessing this and we are focusing it. When this changes, this gets triggered. And let's take a look at this. I'm going to click here. Okay, so this is the simplest way of doing this. So this is how the queries are used. So you don't need to use the @ViewChild. You can access the template like this. So everything is here for this one. And so if you're tired of debugging undefined ViewChild errors, smash that like button. This is the new standard for Angular development. Download the source code. Download the source code from this GitHub repository. I've given the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to learn smart coding for the next video where we dive into RSJS and signals interoperability. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!